Is your Google Pixel 6 heating up like a stove? Whether you're browsing, gaming, or charging, overheating can drain your battery and affect performance. But don't worry, today I'll show you simple solutions that actually work to cool down your Pixel 6. First, let's quickly cover why this happens. The Pixel 6 is powered by Google's Tensor chip, which is powerful but known for generating additional heat under heavy loads. Add to this factors like long gaming sessions, using 5G in areas with poor signal, fast charging, or hot environments, and your phone will get hotter than it should. Quick fixes you can try right now. Here are some solutions you can apply immediately. 1. Avoid using it while charging. Playing games or watching videos while charging doubles the heat. 2. Switch to 4G instead of 5G in areas with poor signal. It reduces the load on the modem. 3. Reduce screen brightness and use adaptive brightness. 4. Close unused apps in the background. They consume CPU power quietly. 5. Disable Wi-Fi, GPS, or hotspot when not needed. 6. Temporarily remove thick cases. They retain heat. Do this and you'll notice your Pixel 6 gets less hot. Advanced fixes. If overheating persists, try these advanced steps. 1. Update your Pixel. Google often implements thermal management fixes through software updates. 2. Wipe the cache partition. It can fix problematic background processes. 3. Use battery saver mode if you don't need maximum performance. 4. Turn off connectivity adaptive. Sometimes it causes unnecessary modem changes. 5. Perform a factory reset, last resort, if overheating started after a failed update. When to worry? If your Pixel 6 gets excessively hot, too hot to hold, or shuts off on its own, it could indicate a more serious issue, such as a faulty battery. In that case, contact Google support or visit a service center before it gets worse. At the end, did any of these tips work for you? Share your experience in the comments. And if this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell so you don't miss more Pixel tips and tricks.